Good evening, friends. Girish here, Senior HR Professional Bangalore. Hats off to you. And the National Safety Week is being celebrated, and this is a very important compliance to be followed from the HR department, working in the factory sites, production unit, manufacturing unit, processing unit, packing unit, bottling plant, and all the activities relating to the industry. So here, every industry or every factory, every manufacturing unit, every processing unit need to be celebrate the National Safety Week. And this is a very important compliance to be complied. And the National Safety Week is going to already started, and the 4th March is the first day of the National Safety Week, and today is the 6th March, and today is the third day of the National Safety Week. And in the National Safety Week, we HR department or HR professionals, we deal or we organize many of the safety training programs for the laborers who are working in the manufacturing units, and the senior executives, officers, managers, and also the operations managers also. And even though exclusive safety department or the safety engineer is available in any of the manufacturing unit or processing unit, and same time it is our compliance and the responsibility and the accountability of the HR department or the HR manager or the HR head of that factory or the industry need to comply this National Safety Week. And here the main agenda is safety is the first, quality is the best. And here why means, in the manufacturing units, most of the time we focus only on the manufacturing or processing, or even at our working sites also, even the construction sites also, we focus mainly on the construction. So as early as possible, a construction company or the real estate company needs to complete its construction and to sell the 2 bhk 3 bhk or premium flats or the commercial spaces, because every company is a profit oriented or profit focused company, and not a single company is making delay in the execution of the projects. So here, even in the construction sites also, we need to follow many of these safety measures. So because of that reason, the government of India has announced, okay, from last few years, to celebrate the National Safety Week, and it is going to resume from the 4th of every year, 4th March of every year, and that is going to continue for the consistently 1 week. And in this 1 week, we HR department need to organize many of the safety training programs, means how to use the personal protective equipments like helmets, hand gloves, safety shoes, safety belts while working in the heights, especially for the electricians and all those things. And especially in the industries, many of the industries manufacturing units, they use the electricity for operations. So while using the electricity, a single labor, how to take care of, to avoid the shocks. And even many of the times, even from last 15 plus years of my human resources career, I have worked in many of the manufacturing units like sugar manufacturing units, alcohol manufacturing units, bottling plant, molasses processing units, ethanol processing units. And here I have seen many of the electricians who are working in the heights, they are not using the safety belts. And even I have seen in my many in my previous companies, the fatal accidents has happened due to the non-compliance or not abiding the safety rules and regulations, and not using the personal protective equipments like helmets and all the other etc. So here, so most of the time we should use the helmets, we should use the hand gloves, we should use the safety shoes and safety belts while working in the heights. And most of the time I have seen in the industries, most of the laborers, they don't use the helmet, most of the laborers, they don't use the safety shoes, and they use the casual shoes which is not an insulator, because there is a cause why industrial shoes are being manufactured. because they are totally insulated and the current flow is almost nil through the insulated safety issues. And at the same time, safety belt, helmets, safety hand gloves and all those things, so these are purely insulated. And here there is no chance of electricity flow, and the electricity will get neutralized if it is going to pass these personal protective equipments. So when we take the industry accidents, the total record, the record of the total industry accidents, so most of the time electricity related accidents are more, and then the lathe machines and the working machine related accidents are more. And why means the major cause is a laborer or a executive or labor supervisor or the managers or the operations managers of the industry, they are not following or they are not adhering the safety measures, and there is no proper training and development program or learning and development program and to how to use the personal protective equipments like helmets, hand gloves and safety shoes. These are very very important. And safety belt while working in the heights, especially for the electricians, masons and other laborers and officials and managers who are working in the heights. But here, why the government of India has circulated the National Safety Week, and this is mandatory to be used and to be implemented and to be trained. And while in the during this National Safety Week, each and every laborer, each and every manager, each and every operation manager of the industry need to get acquainted with the safety measures to be implemented in the industry. So here it's very very important thing that we should implement and we should comply the safety week. And today is the third day of the National Safety Week. So good luck to all, and all the HR professionals so need to comply this National Safety Week. Thank you and have a nice evening. Have a nice weekend. Bye.